Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Let me click here on home button. As you can see, all scripts are edited successfully. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop. Then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. Okay, open your official Roblox on your browser and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Let me click continue, guys. Let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select these 6 scripts. Okay, let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I can confirm this is the best working method for Delta Executor, so just follow my steps and let's see. AP connected, now just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself, guys. Perfect. Then now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher for the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting and let's see the next step. Verification successful, guys. That's it. So thank you for passing the boot check. Delta Executor is important to our account, guys. We have a key connected, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? Okay guys, let me play this Girl Garden. Okay, let's see. Guys, look at this, we have this panel, so let me show you. Thank you for using Delta. We have this message, guys. Let me click here on home button. As you can see, all scripts are edited successfully. Just click execute and wait for the magic. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you next. Bye.